want some high quality informative entertainment? Just scrap the crap and give us a tap.
Like,
Subscribe
hit the bell icon.
and turn on the notifications for timely updates.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Bright Brothers. Hope you enjoyed Rakhi Festival. Let's get back to some learning.
Guys, before we start, we would like to tell you that there are some good friends of ours who are regularly disliking our video, and we have finally got to know their names. We are really shocked on knowing their names, but never mind. Good, we are aware now.
Forget it, bro. Let's get going. We are more concerned about our true friends who love us a lot.
You're right, Ryan. Just because of them, we have achieved another milestone, and that is our 300 subscribers.
Guys, love you all so much and for your love and support.
Guys, please share our video among your friends and family so that we reach to our contest milestone, and that is 500 subscribers. So today, we will unfold the mystery behind article the.
What mystery, bro? There is such a simple word.
Is it? Well, not really. You wanna know why?
Yes, please tell me. Let's learn together.
The article THE is sometimes pronounced as the and many times the.
Why? Why is it so confusing?
Come on, let's unfold the enigma. So guys, we all know that there are 26 English alphabets, out of which there are 5 vowels, and they only are the mysterious ones. Let's understand. So, there are 5 vowels, namely A, E, I, O and U. And whenever THE precedes a vowel, the pronunciation changes to the. And whenever THE precedes a consonant, the pronunciation is the.
Can you make us understand with a few examples?
Okay, the first example is who ate the apple? Here, THE precedes a vowel A in apple. That's why we will pronounce it as the. Let's move to the second example. The enemies are at the dock. Here we say the when it is before enemies, as E is a vowel, and we say the when it is before dock, as D is a consonant. The third example is who knows the answer of the question? Here we say the before answer and the before question.
Oh, now I have understood. Let me give 2 examples. The first one is the end because it ends with a vowel, and the second one is the other day.
Yeah, you're right, Ryan. So it's a simple rule, but with every rule there are some exceptions attached, and English language is full of exceptions. It is not only vowel that matters, but the sound of vowel matters the most. So I'll give you an example of exception as well. The university. Here it will be pronounced as the university, not the university, because the sound is a Y in university. Hope you have understood the difference in pronunciation of the and the.
So friends, since comments on our channel are not allowed because it's a kid channel, we request you to hit the like button
so that we get to know that you have really liked our video. And let's catch up in the next one.
Till then, party hard but at the home.
See you on Saturday. Don't forget to
Like this video.
and subscribe to our channel.
Bye for now.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon for watching our new videos. Keep showering your blessings. It keeps us motivated.
We promise we will never deliver rubbish.
Love you all. Keep subscribing.